This tutorial will show you how to automatically notify your Discord server when you go live on Twitch. Start by heading to the Me6 website. A link will be provided below. Press Add to Discord. You may need to sign in to your Discord account. Authorize. Choose the server you want the bot added to. Confirm the server name, then Continue. Scroll down and Authorize. Verify that you're human. You should be redirected to the Me6 dashboard. Click on the Twitch plugin, it should be grayed out. Press Yes. Search for your Twitch username in the top box. Select your channel from the menu. Customize your message if you want. The default message should work fine. Use the drop menu on the right to choose a channel for the notifications to be sent in. Save. Open Discord and make sure that the bot has been added successfully. Your Discord server will now be notified whenever you go live on Twitch.